It's absolutely amazing. So it was built by Thomas Telford in 1795, and it's a grade 1 listed aqueduct, 126 feet long, 1,000 feet wide, 5-foot cast iron trough at the top, and it's the longest in the UK. What a construction, and it's surprisingly quite busy. Well, look at that, I'm underneath it. We're going at the top of that. I don't know where Jason's gone. He might not have gone this way. No. I went down there. Yeah. Yeah. It's been raining and we're absolutely soaked through. Yeah. The water sounds really rough. I guess we've had those high winds yesterday and the day before. Wow, look at that. How can I get down there without slipping?
You won't slip.
Huh?
You won't slip.
I've got my new boots on, and after today they're gonna be absolutely filthy. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's amazing. We've come down here before. I think it was the year before last on a summer's day, and it was really nice. There was people swimming. "126 feet long, that is." Absolutely amazing. We've had to make an emergency stop at the shop to get a drink for Jason. He's fine now though, aren't you, Chase?
All sorted now.
Yeah, all sorted. Super. Wow. I know it's a horrible day, but it's really, really nice to be here right now, isn't it, Jace?
Yeah, it is.
We've put the boats up. That's Jason's boat, and that's my boat. And that's the ledge that we've got to get into the boat. So my intention is to help Jason first, and I'm guessing I'm at risk from falling in more. So unfortunately there's no easier ledge to put the boat, so we're going to do it anyway. It's my attempt next, which is going to be a bit of a headache, so I hope I don't fall in. Oh no. And Jason's he's managed to get in his. we're just waiting, literally waiting for a clear coast. So we're just about to go over the tallest aqueduct in the UK.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Jason's in front of me. I didn't think that Jason would look down, but he's been really brave.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. This game ain't nothing, this game ain't nothing. I'ma wait till the top, I love this money, just set it on fire, Don't mean nothing, here's one for the night. Don't waste my time,
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. That's my way. That's my way. That's my way. That's my that's my that's my way. That's my that's my that's my that's my
Don't stop, don't stop. This game ain't nothing. I'ma wait till the top. I love this money. Just set it on fire. 'Cause it don't mean nothing. Here's one for the night. Don't waste my time. Don't stop, don't stop. This game ain't nothing. I'ma wait till the top. I love this money. Just set it on fire. 'Cause it don't mean nothing. Here's one for the night. Don't waste my time.
Towing you.
That's a good idea. Should put a rope on his boat. I think my seat's in the wrong place. It's so narrow though, isn't it? So your boat's nice and small, isn't it? Oh, after that boat.
It's not that windy actually. You could have brought the drone.
I have, it's in the car.
Oh, you can car. Oh, we can do that. I can walk it for them. You can do it on the wall. Can you do the drone on the wall?
Yeah. We did it! Just get at the back of the boat. Oh, I crashed into you. Are you going at the back of him here?
Yeah, you only go first on it.
No, doesn't matter. Gonna have to go back over because the car's the other side, which you could get around if there was another third party who would drive around, but it is quite a drive all the way around, so I guess it doesn't matter. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I haven't worked that one out yet, Jason. It was bad enough getting in the boats. Are you hanging back a bit, are you? Jason's is, because Jason's is a really slim boat. It doesn't require much sort of manoeuvre space, but I'm finding it a little bit hard to steer in this boat, and it wants to go fast, and this is quite a go slow speed, so keeping the boat steady is a little bit harder. Don't go too close to him, babes. Quite slow, the boat. What, Dave? Yeah. Oh. I'm quite surprised at you, Jace. Yeah. I've been meaning to do this for the last month, but it's been one thing and another, sort of coming up as life does. And there's already another boat waiting in front of this one to go over it. So, yay! That was really good. Did you like that, Jace? Yeah. It was good, that, wasn't it? We did it! We did it! Crazy thing to do, but I just fancied doing that. It's a really good experience. Here we are, back where we started. This place is called Trevor. Oh, I'm gonna crash! Crash! Ooh, crash! Wait, I'll wedge you in. Oh, you done it. Well done. Oh, well done. You've got to try and get your boat out now without falling in. There you go, he's done it. This is the awkward one.
Oh, my back.
Yeah, mine's the awkward one. Here you go.
My back.
There's me oar.
I gotta film you.
Huh?
I can't. I gotta film you.
Don't be mean, Jace.
Oh, I gotta film you.
I'm gonna fall in.
How do I?
I don't. It's absolutely chucking it down. Yep, so we're going back to the car now.